What's up, you guys? I'm Jasper, and this is JJ Vids. Today, I'm going to be taking you guys on a cruise with me into the canyons. Nice cars today. Cleared out a little bit, it's better. Hopefully this Julia doesn't ruin it for me. This is just a regular IS300. It's just a Sportcross. I just did a couple things to it. Yeah. I need to do the body's kind of screwed up a little bit on it, but I mechanically dialed it up a little bit. Yeah.
My buddy has a GS430 something.
Yeah.
LS is F Sport.
Oh, really? So whose cars are these right here?
This is mine. 1993 EG Hatchback. It's got a B20V.
What's your name, man?
Ranger.
Nice to meet you. I'm Jasper. Cool.
Nice to meet you, Jasper.
Sweet.
Looks like a piece of crap on the outside, but as soon as Bob the hood, it's
yeah.
It's
you mind if we see it?
Let's do it.
For sure. Nice 5-speed. Is it a 5-speed or is it a 4-speed? Okay.
5-speed with the LS trim.
Like it. I always like the 3 doors. The hatchbacks are great.
Nothing too crazy.
The sleeper.
Yeah, no, that's what it is. It's gonna get.
Whoa! All right. That thing's sweet. Is this a real Mugen?
It's actually not. No, so the way you can tell is this right here. I have to put a grommet here because this part is actually usually welded in.
Okay.
We receive it from Japan, but it's
all right.
Aftermarket fake. But
Nice.
We don't have to. You know, it looks real.
Well, this is obviously a swap, right?
Yeah, B20V swap. Bottom end from a CRV, pretty much. I take the bottom end from a CRV, the top end from a GSR. Off
Okay.
An Integra. And pretty much a Frankenstein engine. It's the Frankenstein build of the Honda community, essentially. But other than that, I mean, tuned in at on just 90.
I see you have coilovers as well on this?
Yeah, I see 2 coilovers all
okay,
around.
nice.
It's it rides nice and smooth, but the vibrations in the engine, solid motor mounts,
yeah,
that vibration.
Yeah, for sure.
More.
For sure.
Very simple build. But
do you have the interior ripped out or anything?
All red carpet on the interior. All red carpet on the interior.
Oh, I like that.
A little dirty.
You have a sound system in this as well?
Yes.
Okay.
Got the sub, the 12-inch sub for the build.
Okay, yeah, let's see that as well. All right.
Comes up and then splits down on the
okay.
cage. One of my favorite things.
I like it. Little compact. Do you have it bolted down?
Oh yeah.
You have to have it bolted down.
Yeah.
Like, there's no way you're up
actually,
here with that sting.
Oh no,
no way.
It's actually removable.
Right.
When you take it to the track one day, put it.
I really like the carpet though. That looks good. It's most people just leave it raw and yeah, it looks way better with the carpet.
It starts to deteriorate over time.
I didn't know that this was a split gate as well. That is cool.
The split gate's my favorite. That
is cool.
Best part about the EG. Yeah, when you get to the EK hatch is all one, but it's way bigger too. The EK hatch is like about another like foot wider on top, so you get that room as opposed to losing the two.
Nice.
The 2 split gates, but yeah.
Okay. Here, I'll show you my car. Oh, that guy's doing a wheelie all the way down the hill. Wow. Dude, that guy held it for a good. Pretty much, it's a similar build to what you did. I don't have a swap. It's just the original powertrain in this car. I did a full cap. There's no cats on this car. It's a full straight pipe, but I have a catback Greddy exhaust on it. So they have two types of Greddy exhaust. You have like the RS exhaust, which is like the more race-oriented one. It has like a smaller muffler on it. And Greddy this year actually just came out with a new muffler called the SP, and it has like a bigger muffler on it. So I wanted to get that one because I don't like the raspy. I like more of an acoustic sound. Exactly. And I knew I was going to go full straight pipe anyways, and it was already a 3.5-inch pipe. So it's a thick pipe, so I knew it was going to sound pretty deep and rumbly. So I just put it on, and it sounds amazing. So in terms of the exhaust, that's what I have. The AEM intake, just like you. I got the Mishimoto radiator. Yeah. I did a cross-country road trip earlier this year. I went through the desert and stuff. That really significantly helps the cooling on it. So that was a really good modification I had on it as well. And then I have BC Racing coilovers all the way around. And pretty much that's it. I did have a Willwood big brake kit on this car, but it didn't fit right. And after 150 miles of driving, my rotors completely warped. It wasn't like they put like a lower end rotor on a high end caliper, so it just didn't work. It was like a Frankenstein kit, so I had to take it back. So now I'm just running the OEM replacements for now, but I'm going to go with a full Willwood 4-piston kit around this car eventually. But really, what I dialed in on this car was the sound system. That's what I kind of got my dream sound system in this car. Here, you can come back and help me out with this. So, I mean, obviously I have the aftermarket head unit, and then I have focal Flaxline speakers front and rear. Oh, wow. And then this is what I wanted. Oh. So, yeah, this is a 12W7 AE, and it's in their high output wedge box, and it sounds amazing. And it's really cool because this fits perfectly in the back here, and I didn't know that. Like, I kind of rolled the dice. I mean, I measured everything before, but I didn't know for sure whether or not it was going to fit properly. So I rolled the dice when I ordered this, and it takes like 6 months for this to come because they build these all to spec in Florida. And you know, I just put it in my car, and it just fits perfect. It fits so perfectly to the point to where I can like mob in the canyons and stuff, and this won't move anywhere. It's just great. I don't have this bolted down at all. So.
Yeah, I was like, mine's got to be bolted down.
So I can fold down my back seats, and I have like a full amplifier rack underneath here. It's like completely out of sight, out of mind, and I didn't even have to give up my spare tire or anything. I have a full size spare in this car.
Wow.
Still, so
that's amazing.
Yeah. And the BC Racing coilovers definitely help because, you know, in the rear, obviously I have a lot of weight because of this sub. So I just stiffened everything up so it just kind of handles a little bit better because with the factory it was kind of sagging.
How did the BC sit on this? With a little bit of a longer wheelbase than the actual LS.
Man, honestly. That was nice. That was sweet. All right. So yeah, about the BC Racing. So, I mean, these BCs were a great upgrade for this car because I wanted to keep the factory characteristics of this car, you know, in terms of it being a Lexus. I didn't want a full-blown race car, but these are really soft springs and they ride really nice on the highway. But if you can just, you know, they're adjustable obviously, so you can adjust the dampening. So if you just stiffen them up, it really rides like a go-kart in the canyons as well. And compared to most cars, this car actually has a pretty short wheelbase and it's based off of the sedan. They just modified the rear of this car, you know, so it still handles really, really nice in the can. I just get, you know, the benefit of having a hatch, and you know, having a hatchback, how that, you know, sounds with the system and stuff. So
yeah, I got rid of the seats and now it's just all vibrations in the car.
Yeah,
it just echoes throughout the entire car now.
I also have this car dynamatted as well, so if you tap on this panel, it's pretty hollow, but from the front doors all the way to the rear, I have a sound insulation dynamat, so it's solid as a rock. Now it adds a little bit of weight. It's not, you know, this isn't necessarily like a Canyon Slayer, right. But it's, you know, it's a really good daily driver overall.
That's awesome, dude. This is amazing.
Yeah,
a really, really clean and well thought out build.
Yeah, thank you. I'm not done with it either. You know, builds take time.
Oh yeah.
You know.
Oh yeah. Way wait time.
And like I said before, I have the Gretty exhaust right here.
That sounds really nice.
Yeah,
that
yeah.
Sounds really clean.
I
not too drony, like you said, acoustic.
Right. That was important for me. You know, I don't want this car to be a race car.
No,
I just want this car to be like
good.
a nice, clean.
It sounds good when you want it to sound good.
That's exactly
like
right. On here today. Is that your M3 over there or M4?
Yeah, it's my dad's.
Oh, nice, cool. Nice. He's got the carbon fiber front. It's always a good option to have. White interior goes hard as well. I would have preferred a manual, but it's a nice spec. I love this blue carbon fiber rear diffuser here as well. Carbon fiber, whatever this little spoiler thing is. All right, man. We're rolling out.
Hey, man, have a great one.
I'll catch you later. Later. I love that M3. Going to wrap up today's video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next video. Cheers.